Hi everyone, welcome to April's subscription box. This month I'm just going to briefly go over the Tough subscription. As I say, each month we cover a different box. We've had a few requests for the Tough box this month to find out what's in. So here we go. So with the Tough box we always use Tough branded toys. And we also tailor the treats a little bit more, because obviously if your dog's a chewer, they're going to destroy your lighter and your softer treats. So yeah, this month we've got a Kong signature balls. Now this comes in a pack of 2. These are medium size. They also squeak. Very tough, very durable. My dog's had these for nearly a year now, and not managed to destroy them. He destroys every single thing else as well. So, yeah, there we go, 2 of those. We also have a Kong Air Dog dumbbell. So this again, medium size, very tough. Kong are well known for the tough toys. Really tough rubber. My dog's also had one of these as well, very squeaky. He's not managed to destroy this. He has managed to tear off the yellow kind of Velcro stuff, but that's about it. He can't actually break through, so I can actually vouch for this myself. And then the 3 treats we have in this one's box is a bag of paddywhack. I came across this the other month. 100% ingredient and natural ingredients again. These come in small, like meaty pieces, but they are, you can tell that really tough. Again, my dog goes mad for these, and it takes him quite a while to chomp through them, so he's sat chomping away. We've also got 100% natural venison strips. These are also grain free. Now these again are very tough pieces of meat, which the dog should take a while to chew through. 100% venison, yeah, all natural. And the final is duck's feet. Now my dog, he did used to like these, he doesn't anymore. I don't know why. Sometimes he does go off treats after he's down quite a bit, but the neighbour's dogs go mad from they finished off what he didn't want. But yeah, it's 100 grams of 100% natural duck's feet. Now this duck's feet are not it's not the nicest thing to look at, but the dogs go crazy for them, like I say. So yeah, grain free, nutritious, and it promotes good chewing and healthy dental care in dogs. So yeah, there we have it. That is the 3-item box from April. That's not the 3-item box, sorry, the 5-item Tough box from April. And if you have any questions or you want to know anything else, please just drop me an email.